I'm going to take you through how to achieve the perfect sculpted brows in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting with the Beauty Junkees Pro Brow Brush, go ahead and take the spoolie side and just brush through your brows. I like to brush outwards and upwards. Then what I like to do is take that same spoolie, take your hairs down, that way you can see the natural curve of your brow. Taking the angled point of the brow brush, go ahead and go into your pomade or brow product that you are using and start here up towards the arch of your brow, just following the natural curves of your brow. When working on the tail, start extending with your natural curve, thickening where you would like, and working with small strokes. Then, taking the spoolie side, go ahead and brush through your brows back upwards and outwards. This will help you see any missed spots, some sparse areas that you then need to fill in. Taking a brow powder, using small strokes, start filling in those sparse areas. By lifting your brows like this, you are able to get this defined line right at the bottom here, which really shapes and sculpts out the brow. To clean up any messes and to make sure everything is nice and sculpted, take a concealer of your choice and just make a very thin line on the both bottom and upper part of your brow. Taking the Beauty Junkees Pro Flat Definer Brush, start blending in that product downwards. Being very precise with this. This is going to ensure that your brows look very clean, sculpted out, and if you have any missed brows that you need to pluck, or if you're in between waxing, this will help cover those as well. Then, flipping the brush upwards, go ahead and do the same thing, but now bringing the concealer outwards. Taking the spoolie one last time, just brushing up and out through the brows. And here we have the perfect sculpted brows. You guys can see how easy it is using the Beauty Junkees Pro Brow Brush. Very easy to do, very fast to do, and everything's all in one.